The controversy surrounding the so-called alien bodies has taken an eerie twist as a new chapter unfolds in this ever-evolving saga. Swirling debates have been ignited as skeptics and believers alike grapple with the implications of this mystery. Are we truly alone in the universe, or is there something more out there? In the heart of Mexico City, an unexpected discovery has sparked an international uproar. Journalist Jamie Maussan, a prominent figure in the field, presented what he claims to be alien bodies. These bodies, characterized by their elongated heads and 3 fingers on each hand, have stirred a whirlwind of speculation. Could these be evidence of extraterrestrial beings? But not all are convinced. Critics have been quick to dismiss the bodies as elaborate hoaxes, going so far as to argue that they have been discredited as fakes. Yet, the intrigue persists. Laboratory tests conducted by doctors have confirmed that the bodies belong to a single skeleton and were not assembled, adding fuel to the fiery debate. However, an earlier investigation has cast a shadow of doubt over these findings. It was revealed that the bodies were recently manufactured using animal and human bones, cunningly joined together with synthetic glue. This revelation raises questions about the authenticity of the bodies and the veracity of Maussan's claims. Adding further complexity, carbon dating tests have suggested that the bodies were buried for 1,000 years in diatomaceous earth. Yet the university conducting the tests has categorically denied that they could prove the bodies belong to extraterrestrials. In a bid to bolster his theory, Maussan invited military personnel, air traffic controllers, and astronomers to lend their support. Their involvement has only amplified the controversy, with supporters and detractors locked in a heated debate over the authenticity of the bodies. As the world watches on with bated breath, the question remains, are these alien bodies proof of life beyond our planet, or merely the product of an elaborate hoax? The answer may forever change our understanding of the universe. In conclusion, the controversy surrounding the alien bodies continues to escalate. With conflicting evidence and divided opinions, the authenticity of these purported extraterrestrial beings remains shrouded in mystery. Whether they serve as a testament to life beyond Earth or are simply a testament to human imagination, one thing is clear: the debate is far from over.